Alright, today I'm taking a look at the basement ceiling. I used the black dry fall paint. Worked out extremely well in my opinion. So as you can see, we just painted our ceiling to try and make it a little bit easier on ourselves so we didn't have to drywall, and it actually has come in handy already because we've had to get to some wires up into the tops of cords to kind of get some stuff done up in the ceiling. But I would say it went on extremely well. We just used a paint sprayer and sprayed the entire ceiling. I did get 2 buckets. This is only 500 square feet. I did not need both buckets. It should cover up to 1,500 to 2,000 square feet. As you can see, it kind of went on the vents here, but it was so nice to just spray, and then as we were spraying, obviously get your full suit on, but as you were spraying, then it would just fall down to the ground into kind of like a powder, almost dust, if you will, and we were able to then sweep it up after vacuum it up. It made it clean up extremely easy. We did it when the concrete floors were in, when we finished our basement last year. But it has been 1.5 years since this ceiling has been painted, and I feel that it has held up so far. We will see in years to come, but we like the look of it in our basement. Super simple to do. We did it over the weekend. One weekend we were going out of town, so I wanted to try and spray it on a Thursday, went out of town on a Friday morning, and then we were back Sunday and it was completely dry and we were good to go. So it was a nice project to get done, simple to use. I wish I had videos of me actually spraying it. Unfortunately, I do not. Should have taken some when I was doing it myself. But if you're looking to paint your basement ceiling or living room ceiling, kitchen, whatever it may be, obviously, hopefully your living rooms and your kitchens are drywalled, but maybe your garage, if that's something that you would like to do. But we like the look down here in the basement, and really worked for us. But if you're looking to paint ceiling, like basement ceiling, like I said, definitely recommend taking a look at this product. Thanks.